Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Today, as a design team member for the Robin Nest Creative, I will be designing this lovely dewdrop bottle into a keepsake gift bottle. So here I will be using the lovely shades of the Robin Nest Creative dewdrops, that is the dark blue and the light blue. I will be using some dust powder, also some embellishments, a thread, a twine, some silver twines, and here I have used a silver wire and inserted through the cover of the bottle to hold it. So let's begin. Here I have inserted happy birthday sentiment, as you can see, and then I have used the dark blue shades of the dewdrops and filled half of the bottle with it. Now I will pour this light blue shade of the dewdrops into it. So I can use it as the shades of light and dark. Now I will be using this silver dust to pour into it. Here I am using the dust and I will just pour over this. So that will give me a little bit of a shine. Just rotate the bottle round and round so the dust can fall equally on all sides. Just tap the bottle little so it becomes. Now you can see how it looks once you pour it. Okay. Now I will close the bottle. Since I have inserted this wire into the cover of the bottle and I have locked it here. So you can just use your glue gun and fix this. So to fix this, I have used the wire and twisted it flat, as you can see, just to lock it. And then I'm using my glue gun and I will just use it here so that it doesn't move. I will use my twine, my silver twines, and roll these embellishments round the bottle. Here I am taking the silver twine and I will tie these embellishments to the bottle. This is just to show you how you can use your empty dewdrop bottles and create these lovely keepsake bottles as gift to your loved ones. So here your keepsake bottle is ready with a lovely sentiment, happy birthday. Now I will use this lovely twine to tie. You can even cover the bottle using this twine. So I will fix it first by using the glue gun to give it a layer. And here you are done with a lovely keepsake bottle wishing the happy birthday. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you may create your own dewdrop bottles with lovely gift to your loved one. Do visit the Robin Nest Creative website for the lovely dewdrops with its bottle. Bye. See you next time.